Hi guys, update about the tank controller reassembly, and in fact I am quite happy to show you the progress because the handles are reinstalled, and you can trust me, it has been very difficult. One of the most difficult reassembly works I have ever done, because in fact you have to deal with parts all at the back here which you cannot access anymore because you did already cover them with other parts. In particular, little circlips to reinstall, the wires to route in the holes that arrive down at the bottom here, and other reassembly works. So the handles are back together and working, as you can see. Here we have potentiometers. So this is working. There is a little bit of a hard spot here, but I believe it is just a grease problem. If I put some grease inside here, it should be better after it. So it is a big step ahead. You can see I did rewire everything in here to a pin header here at the back. Next step will be to figure out, and there is some loose wires here at the bottom. There are controls here which I did not connect yet. It is this wire passing through here, arriving from the bottom here behind the two spring parts, and here. So I just need to solder them to 4 wires which are already connected to here. So the next part will be to figure out what to do with the original connectors which were installed here, because of course I haven't got the matching plugs. I believe I haven't got enough contacts for what I want to do with them. So and they are also in very bad condition, so I need to figure out what to do. If I put a blanking plate or something on just one wire output, maybe could be one idea. I need to research a little bit what to do. And also the next big challenge will be redoing the label here. This one I did keep in the original condition for now. If I find a way to redo them nicely, I will do it, but in fact there is a little, very few thickness in the letters, so I do not want to erase the existing information. This one has less things written on it, so maybe I will be able to do something. Everything here is in a working condition, and wired. Just waiting to be wired to the other side with a DB9 plug here. Should be enough. And after this, in fact it will be almost all. I still need to repaint the cover here because I am not happy with the paint job. So in fact it is available, it is made, but I am not happy because of a paint thickness issue here. A drop in fact in the paint, so I will probably repaint it another time. If not, here is what it looks like when it is installed. Yes, so it is quite a nice progress, as you can see. Sorry I did not film this process because it was just insane to do. Extremely difficult. I spent a few hours installing everything, putting the little circlips in an impossible to reach space, and so on. One big challenge has been also to reinstall these circlips here with very big springs at the back. I needed to order a special spring circlip tool because I did not have a correct one, and I had to enlarge the holes in here because they were too small for my tool. Apart from this, I still need to there is a piece here that will come back in place, original piece with a schematic in fact. and yes, on the back connectors to figure out, and it will be almost done in fact. So I did keep track of all the wirings here in case I want to interconnect it with something and actually use it. It is mostly potentiometers, switches here, and the two trigger switches, other one here. So it has been quite a work. It is a slow progress, but here at least a big step ahead, I believe. I am quite happy with it. So to be continued for sure. I work on it a little bit at a time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.